In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use the Windsurf Terminal. This guide will walk you through the essential steps needed to navigate the application and utilize its features. Begin by opening the Windsurf application on your device. Once launched, you will be greeted with the main interface, which displays various options related to your sessions, and ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will enhance the application's responsiveness. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Agent. This section allows you to manage your agents and sessions. After clicking, you will see a list of available agents which will help you in managing your workflows. After that, select the option titled All Sessions. This will direct you to a comprehensive overview of your past and current sessions. Here you can review details and decide which session you want to work with. Then click on the button marked New Session. This action will initiate the creation of a new session. A brief loading animation may appear while the application prepares the new session interface, so be patient for a moment. Once the new session interface is ready, a cascade code will appear on your screen. This code is crucial as it serves as an identifier for your session. Make a note of it for future reference. Next, click on the option labeled Editor. This section allows you to edit your session details and configurations. You will be taken to a new screen where you can make the necessary adjustments. After that, select the Explore option. This feature enables you to delve deeper into your project and explore various components associated with your session. You should see a layout displaying different elements within the Explorer. Then proceed by clicking on the Search function. This feature helps you locate specific items or data within your session. A search bar will appear, allowing you to enter keywords for quick access to relevant information. Next, click on the option for code maps. This section provides a visual representation of your code structure, enabling you to navigate through your code more effectively. You will see a graphical layout once you select this option. Now, click on the Deep Wiki feature. It offers in-depth documentation and resources related to your project. Once selected, the Deep Wiki interface will load, presenting you with valuable information and links. After that, click on Remote Explorer. This tool allows you to access and manage remote files associated with your session. A new interface will appear showing available remote resources. Then navigate to the option labeled Extensions. This section provides access to additional tools and plugins that can enhance your workflow. You may need to wait briefly while the extensions load. Finally, click on the Run and Debug option. This feature enables you to execute your code and troubleshoot any issues. The application will initiate the process, and you may see a loading indicator as it prepares to run your code. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.